This is great. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Oh well, I'm kind of struggling for this. The question 6. I really through all the textbooks and all this, and I watched the several YouTube video, but as I explained to you, my problem is when I click this link, which is my story investment,
Yeah.
it shows up so many like company name, but I don't know how to go to Excel like an instructor did it on the video from that point.
I tried too, and I couldn't either.
Yeah, how the people did it then?
I have no idea. I just had to I did the questions that let's see. Let me pull up the worksheet. Yeah, I couldn't even do. I did the first part. But I couldn't even do the second part because I couldn't figure out like how the file was working. But I know how to use Excel, and so I was like, okay, maybe it'll be all right. I think that's something that I'll ask her about when we post this video. And another thing, I have been working on the quiz, and for some reason, there's a part of the Excel, like in the instructions, it's just like, oh, do this. And that's not working for me. And so there's like 1 or 2 answers that I can't get because some weird thing. And so I think I'll ask her about that.
But the thing is, I of course, computer has the Excel, so I can open up the Excel. But how are we gonna have all that number from data to my Excel?
Yeah. So when you take the quiz, if you want to go start the quiz, we can work through it together because I think that's what we're supposed to do for the group meeting.
Okay.
There's like a something you download that opens, and it's been working for me, so I think it'll work for you.
All right. So, what should I do from?
So go to lesson 3.
Go to lesson. So, am I gonna lose this side, or I'm just worried? If I click the math, can I click the math site?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I don't think you should be losing. Yeah.
All right, just a second. Let me go because. All right.
Here, I can show you on my screen too.
All right.
Let me share my screen with you, and then I'll show you where to go for the quiz. Okay. All right. So you go into the class, and then you go to content. And then right here, it'll say lesson 3 group meeting quiz.
Right.
And then we start that, and then start quiz. And then there's going to be an Excel file right here to download that we're going to use to work on this quiz with.
Oh, just a second. Let me. You mean the Oops, that's too much. Okay. So this is like a wrong site, wrong patient.
Yeah, wrong site, wrong patient. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So which is it's not going from like the preparation sheet and had a lesson and the question 6. So we're not going from this side, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
we're not doing.
Alrighty, now I got it. So do you want me? Oh my god.
Yeah, it's okay.
So you want me to find out? Let me find the group quiz, okay? So
Okay.
all right, let me find that. Island. Hang on. All right, test 21 and contents. Okay. So I put continuing.
Mhm.
Then, oh yeah, now it's come up. So you want me to click the wrong side, wrong patient here?
Yes.
Okay,
Mhm.
I'll do that. All right, so it goes under the arrow which downloaded, right? So I'm gonna open up the Excel.
Yep.
Okay, I got the Excel site, but it's only have a A's and B.
Here, I'll show you what it looks like on mine.
Okay, just a second.
Here's mine.
All right, just
Is that what you have? Right
yeah.
here?
I'm trying to go to your side. Hold on. No, not this one. Oh, all right, here, let me go on. Okay. So, yes, that's what I got.
Okay.
All right.
Awesome.
So that is the related to the question 6.
Huh?
Is you just open up the Excel. It shows A column and the B column, right?
Yeah.
That is the related to number 6 question?
I don't see. I couldn't do number 6 because the file that they had on there was like it wasn't right. I just couldn't do that part. I was gonna ask her about it after this meeting.
Oh, okay. I put a question on the our discussion board, and I was just contacting to Mass Tutoring Center about that, and send the email personally to Sister Withers.
Mhm.
I haven't got the answers yet, though.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's all right. Like, I think it should like the whole part like the whole purpose, I guess, of that part of the worksheet was to help you learn Excel, which I can show you how to do.
Okay.
So if we just want to go ahead and start on the quiz, I can like work through it with you.
All right, let's do that.
Okay.
You want me to go to quiz again? Or
Yeah, go to yeah.
quiz. Oh, okay. So which number do you want me to go?
Oh, like are we gonna start? So like number 3?
Number 3?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I thought we only do the part. What is the part 2, which is from number 6? But
oh, okay. So I was confused on what we were supposed to do during the group meeting. So I learned that we're supposed to take this group meeting quiz together.
Oh, okay. I didn't know.
Yeah. And so yeah, I didn't know either. And so I was like reading the instructions. I was like, oh, okay, that makes sense.
Okay.
So, yeah, we work on the quiz together.
So let's do from 3.
Yeah. So like the first 2 questions are just like, did you complete the assignment? Were you in the group meeting? And then the question 3 is where it starts.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. You want me to read it or?
You can you can read it if you want.
Okay. On rare occasion, a medical procedure is performed on the wrong body part of the patient's body or on the wrong patient. These are called the wrong side and wrong patient's mistake. Such errors occur hundreds of times each year across the United States, which is true. It was happened when I worked EP lab.
Oh, whoa.
And then the doctors open up the right chest instead of left side of chest.
Oh no.
Yeah. It's really happened though.
Oh my gosh.
The medical community is trying to eliminate this error by reducing their frequency. In a small percentage of these cases, the patient filed a lawsuit against the hospital. Philip Stahel et al. Conducted a study on this mistake and lawsuit that followed. The data in the files, wrong side, wrong patient. So we can open up this, right? Located in the data page on the line textbook represent the amounts in US dollar hospital has been required to pay in wrong side and wrong patient lawsuit. Some of the value equal 0, indicating that the hospital won the legal battle. Source is JAMA surgery. Question 3. Find the mean amounts of hospital had to pay in wrong side lawsuit. Round your answer to the nearest whole dollars. So, okay.
So to do this one,
Uh-huh.
it's pretty easy. I'll share my screen with you because you do it on Excel. And like once you know how to do it, then like all the other questions are really easy because this is a really easy bit. So let me share my screen.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So can you see my Excel file?
Okay, I'm gonna go on a hangout too.
Okay.
All right. Yes.
Okay. So we're looking at all of these numbers right here. And it wants us to find the mean. So what you're going to do is like click on a box.
Uh-huh. Under the T.
Under the T. Oh, under just like any of them. It just is an empty box.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah. And then you're going to push the equal sign. Oh, equal sign.
Oh, just hold on. Let me the empty box and the equal sign. Okay.
And then you're going to type MEA. Oh, you're going to type, you're not going to type that. You're going to type G average. Wait, hang on. Let me just make sure I got the right one. Average right here.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So make sure it says average.
Uh-huh.
And then right here in the parentheses,
Uh-huh.
type A2, because this is where the data starts.
A2, yes. Uh-huh.
And then do a little colon, the 2 dots.
And the colon, okay.
And then you're gonna type the box with the very last number. And so in this case, it's A412. So A412.
The box 12 and A412. Okay.
And then push enter.
Push enter. All right.
All right, and then you should get a number.
Oh.
Yeah, so that's the average of all the numbers. So that's what you type in for your answer.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Pretty easy, not so bad.
All right. So can I go ahead on the quiz?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let me go to my quiz then. So I open up the site, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, hold on. Wrong side. Okay. Now I got it. So this. Oh. Yes, I do have it. So I basically click any box, right?
Any box.
Any
It's
box.
empty.
And then the equal,
Uh-huh.
the average.
Mhm.
I got it. Then I goes to the princess on top.
Mhm.
And then A2.
Mhm.
And I 2 dot. Then A412. Okay. Then I put the enters, right? So I have a number is the 80. So 80,041 point.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Uh-huh.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah.
Yay. Okay.
So that's your answer for number 3.
Oh, that's a number 3. Okay. So how you find it all this?
What do you mean? Like how?
How you find this answer and how to do all this?
Oh, I don't know. I just took a lot of computer classes in like middle school, and so they taught me how to use.
Okay, good for you. But let me ask you this dumb questions. So now my screen is the whole Excel site.
Mhm.
I don't want to leave this site by the Excel,
Yeah.
I'm trying to go to Google by the question side. So what should I do?
So your Excel it shouldn't go away. You should be totally fine. So if you push Google, then Excel will still be there when you come back.
So it says Excel, the red box is okay. I can click Excel.
Oh no, don't click out of it. Here,
Okay.
can I see your screen? You know how to do that?
No.
On our meeting right now with the screen you're looking at, on the left-hand side,
Left
if you
hand
look down a
side.
little,
Okay.
there should be like a green computer with like an arrow in it.
Right. That's the make the bigger, you mean?
No, not in this case.
Okay.
Oh, well, not that green arrow. It should be lower than here. I'll show you on mine actually.
But since I came, I don't
You see
know.
this button right here?
Because I'm trying to go back to the Google Hangout to see yours, but I don't know how to get out of the Excel site,
You should just be able to go to your just click on your Google icon, and then it'll take you to Google.
Okay, just a second. Okay, I got you now.
You got it? Okay.
So can you show your screen then?
Like that. And then this is my quiz.
So 80041. And just round up. So I don't have the point 224. Okay, all right,
Yep.
I got it. All
Okay,
right.
awesome.
Yeah. Then let me see. What was that? Define the before your group preparation. All right. So we did we did 3. Okay.
So number 4 is going to be really similar.
All right. So now we trying to find the median. Yeah.
So I'll show you my screen again, but we're going to do something super similar. So I'll just use the same box. Instead of typing, we're going to do the equal sign again.
Okay.
Except this time, instead of putting average, we're going to put median.
This time it's a median. Okay.
And then we're going to put in the same letters in the same way. We're going to put A2, colon,
Oh, right there. So we put the A2.
A412. A412. It's like that.
A412. Okay, I got you.
And then you should get a number.
Okay, so let me go to my screen and I'm going to do that. So where I'm going is the Excel. So I gotta go to Excel, right? Okay. So I click any blank, then equal, then this time I put a median. Yes. And top here is the A2. This one is A412. Okay, and enter. So I got the 8,552.
Yep, that's what I got.
Okay, good. All right, we got it. So next one is the number 5. Yeah. All right. So
let me pull up my Excel. Okay. Okay, so have you read the problem? Okay. So this one is just like the other two. Again, go into Excel, except this time, instead of putting mean or median, you just put you put, oh shoot, let me think. Standard deviation P. Okay. Like this stdev.p.
Okay, just a second. Let me so number. Hold on. Yeah, okay. Number 5, so any blank, then equal sign, and this time which one did you type it?
It's so the letters are stdev.p.
Ev.p. Okay, I got you. So I'm gonna go to my screen and I click anything. So this time core TEVP. Okay. Then number A2. A412. Enter. So did you get the 71,316.91?
Yep, that's what I got.
All right, so we got those. Oh, just a second. I'm trying to get. Okay.
Make sure you round. So.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, I think I like this.
Yeah, it's super easy to use.
Oh, well, it's not still easy, but you teach me very in easy way. It's not now.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So number 6?
Number 6.
Okay.
Okay. I can read it.
Okay.
Hepatic agneosarcoma is a rare and usually fatal type of liver cancer. A study was conducted on 4 individuals with this illness. The data represents their survival time in months. Survival time 5, 19, 1, and 3. Okay. Question 6. What is the mean survival time in months for these 4 patients?
Okay. Do they put the site there too?
No. So this one we just have to do by hand, which is still pretty easy because there's only 4 numbers. So do you know how to solve? Do you know how to like solve for the average?
Yeah. You mean the mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Just a second. I have on my computer screen is just a second. I'm gonna I have a half is the Excel. Then I don't know how that is divided up, and half is a Google Hangout. So I'm trying to go to math thing. Oh, I don't know. This computer is not move.
Oh, is it frozen?
Yeah, it is. No, I still can see you the half of my screen. So.
Okay.
And the other half is the Google Excel, but it's totally empty.
Mm-hmm.
So then I cannot move anything now. Though. So I don't know. Do I have to go out or?
Yeah, you can go out of the Excel and then come back to it, and then like you can just reopen it later if you want to close it.
Yeah, but I can't even close. This one. Oh, I don't know what to do.
Here. Oh shoot, I don't know either.
Just a second. I'm gonna maybe click. I think I still can see you, but. Oh man. Yeah. Yeah, it's just stuck there.
Mm-hmm.
So if you can, if you don't mind, just call the number. I can make a mean number.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So the numbers are 5, 19,
19.
1,
1.
and 3.
Only 4 number.
Yeah.
Okay, so 5 plus 19 plus 1 plus 3 and divided 4. So it is 7?
Divided by 4. Yeah, 7.
Yeah, 7. Okay. I got it.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And okay, so number 7 asks for the median.
Median. Do they have a Excel screen?
It's just the same 4 numbers.
Huh?
It's just the same 4 numbers. And so 5, 19, 1, and 3.
Oh, that's the median. Okay, so that case, we have to put the lower number. So 3 and 19. So when it's a number, it's an even number. So we have to pick the middle two, which is the 3 and 5. So, and then between 3 and 5, it should be a 4, isn't it?
Yep, I said 4.
Okay, good.
Okay. Number 8. Okay. Oh shoot. What the? Hang on one second. For some reason my computer isn't showing the chart. It like gave me a chart and then asked me to like plug in some numbers, but I will see if I can reload it.
I'm thinking of it. If I press the escape the ESC button, maybe it will be unfrozen. Maybe I'm going.
Oh yeah, you can play that.
Yeah. No, it's that's Excel. Now I have a I can come out. Oh no, it's not.
Okay, for some reason my charts here, I'll show you. So usually right here, if you were to commute the variance by hand, the following table could be used. Use this table to answer the next 3 questions. There was supposed to be like a chart right here, but it's not coming up. But like I answered the questions because I was like preparing. But like it's not, which is super weird. So I Can't help you with 8 or 9. I didn't even answer 9.
You know, with this Excel not go away, so I cannot see the. I know you. Okay, hold on. I can get rid of this half of Excel side. Okay. I'm gonna. Yeah. I don't know what this computer is. All right. So yeah, let's go ahead. Do we have a 10 question?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
All right. I think number 10 also pertains to 11.
We have 11 questions?
There are 16 questions. And number 8 through 10 go back to that chart that I can't see. But here's number 11.
Okay.
So we're going to use the Excel document again.
The number 11?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So the question is, what is the first number in the 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit data?
The 5-number summary?
Yeah, I think we talked about that, the 5-number summary. So like it's the minimum, the first quartile, the second quartile, which is the median, the third quartile, and the maximum. Those are the 5.
Right, that's a 5 number. Right. Yeah.
And so the answer for number 11 is pretty. Oh, so let's go to the Excel document here. I'll show you.
Okay. I'm gonna look at yours. Mine is
So we're going to be using this data right here, and we're going to be trying to find the minimum. So we can kind of see that there's like a 0 right here. So the minimum is probably going to be 0. But if we wanted to solve for it, which we can, we do the same thing. We just put equal sign, and this time put minimum, M-I-N. And then, and then this time, because we're using column B, we're going to do B2.
B2.
Through the last number, which is B177. So B2 colon B177.
B177. Okay.
And then enter, and there's a 0, which is what we wanted to see. So that's the minimum.
Oh, why is the minimum number? So it should be the 0. Okay, I got
you. Yes, 0 is the lowest number. Yeah.
I got it.
So that's the answer for number 11.
Okay.
So number 12 is, what is the second number in the 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit data? This is where I ran into some trouble because I should have been able to do the same thing. So equal sign and then quartile quartile X, so like this, and then type B2 through B177, like that. So just like what we've been doing before, but this is what happens. It says not enough arguments were entered for this function, and I don't know how to fix that. And so I don't know how to answer question 12 and question 13 because I can't figure out how to fix that. And so I was just doing it right before I called you. And so I think that when I post this video, I'll be like, that was something I couldn't figure out because for some reason it doesn't work.
I see. Okay. So if they set a second number, the quartile has the like out of 5 number, the quartile 1, and then second is the like median, the average, and then quartile 3 is the 75%. So if they second number, that is a quartile 1, the 25%. Okay, I got you.
Yeah.
All right, good.
And so and so if they wanted to say solve for the third number in the 5-step thing, then we would have solved for the median.
I see.
Yeah. So not sure on that one. And then for the last three questions, 14 through 16, it asks about this chart, this box plot, which again, my chart is not pulling up. I'm so sorry. Look, I'll show you. So like right here, it says Redbox is an increasingly popular way to rent movies. You can go to Redbox. And then it says answer the next three questions based on the following box plot. But then there's no box plot for me to use. And so I don't know. Yeah, so I can't help those last three. But box plots are pretty easy to read. I think there's an example in the reading.
I see. Yeah, on the textbook I saw the box plot and I studied. So we really need to pull the box plot into the Excel. Is that right?
No. No, it should just be on the quiz. It'll be like a picture, and then you just have to look at the picture and answer the questions.
But we cannot pull it up though. Okay, then I don't know what to do.
Well, I mean, so I will when I hang up end this meeting, go this will be out of the way. See if you could close your Excel file and then go to Google and see if you can finish the quiz. I hope that I helped. I hope you know how to use Excel and stuff.
Yeah, you did. Tremendously. You did that. Okay. With your explain, I think I can get from now on like a mean and the median, those kind of things. I think I know this.
Okay. Yeah. And then when I figure out how to find the quartiles, when Sister Withers lets me know, I will tell you too. So hopefully we can figure that out.
Yeah. Did you heard about the other? I know the one is one person in Mexico, so she cannot do it.
Yeah, she said she won't be here this week because she's in Mexico. And then the other person, I have texted them and emailed them, and I haven't heard anything from them. So I have no idea. I'll try to reach out. Maybe, I don't know. I'll try to reach out again and see if I get a reply. But that other girl should be here next week.
Okay. So and then our instructor about delayed this quiz until, do you know why? Until when?
Oh, because I told her that we were having problems setting up our video. And so I think she said that let me check just to make sure. I think she said that she would keep it open for us until Saturday night. So she'll post the quiz for us Saturday night, but we have until then to submit it.
I see. So when I close up, and I'm just trying to go ahead and do the answers now, whatever I can do.
Yep, whatever you can do.
Yeah. Alrighty. High school.
All right.
Everything is okay?
School? Is that what you asked? Yeah, it's real. It's a lot of classes, but it's going really good. Yeah.
Okay. Did you take pathophysiology?
Not yet. I think I'm going to take it next semester. I'm really excited.
I took it last semester.
Yeah.
That was like a 1,400 page book for 14 weeks. Oh. That was a lot though.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Holy cow,
yeah.
Yeah, but I feel like, I don't know, I'm really busy, but I love being busy, and so I'm happy.
Okay, I'm glad. You sound like a good student.
Yeah. So remind me where you're living right now.
Me?
Yeah.
I live in Richmond, Virginia.
Whoa, Virginia. That's awesome. I've never been to Virginia, but I've heard it's really beautiful.
Yeah, it's pretty nice here. I've been live here for over 20 years. Yeah. My first son live in the Salt Lake, Utah, and then only second son is around here. He's working.
Yeah.
He's the only one didn't go to BYU, and I went to the Virginia Tech. Yeah. And then my third and fourth one, they are off semester now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
yeah, because They're here at BYU Idaho, right?
Yeah, the third one is there for working now, and then my youngest daughter, and then she's coming actually tonight. So I have to go to
Oh,
the airport. So, yeah,
oh, that's so exciting.
yeah, she just come for 10 days. Yeah,
Mhm.
I'm very excited to see her.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
Yeah.
Right.
Hi.
Anyway, I'll let you go.
All right.
But I will see you on Tuesday.
All right. Tuesday morning. Yeah.
Okay.
That's. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, though.
Oh, thanks. I'm happy to help.
All right. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.